what do we see? A circle appears, round as can be. Circle, square, triangle too. Shapes can build amazing things for you. Tap, 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 watch them appear. Tiny shape magic is happening here. Tap it again, a square pops out. 4 equal sides moving all about. Another small tap, triangle is here. Pointy on top and crystal clear. Circle